In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Alibaba. We'll move step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Alibaba. You can type the brand name into your search engine or go directly to the official site by entering the address in the URL bar. Before you click through, make sure the link points to the genuine Alibaba domain and look for the secure lock icon in your browser. That helps you avoid lookalike pages or ads that aren't the real thing. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it and sign in with your account credentials. Being signed in ensures your cart items are saved, your region-specific pricing is accurate, and shipping options display correctly. If your browser prompts you for any security checks, just complete them to proceed. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page. Enter clear keywords that describe what you need, like the product type and any important attributes. If you're not sure exactly what to type, you can also browse categories on the homepage to see popular items. After your results load, skim the listings and, if helpful, apply filters such as minimum order quantity, ready to ship status, certification, or supplier features. This narrows your options to products that match your needs. When a listing catches your eye, click on it to open the product details page. Take a moment to browse carefully. Review supplier information, such as how long they've been active, any verification badges, and their response rate. Check ratings and reviews for real-world feedback. Look closely at materials, specifications, dimensions, and any standards or certifications relevant to your use case. Pay attention to pricing tiers, which may change based on the variation and the quantity you choose, as well as the minimum order quantity, estimated lead time, and shipping information. When you're ready to proceed, select the variation you want. This could be a color, size, model, or other option, using the drop-downs or buttons provided. Choose a quantity that meets or exceeds the minimum order. Confirm that the displayed price and any other details update to match your selection. Once everything looks correct, click Add to Cart. You should see a confirmation message or a mini cart appear. If the site asks you to confirm a variation or another required choice, complete that step. Your item is now saved in your cart. You can keep browsing for more products or click the cart icon at the top of the page to review what you've added. That's all there is to it.